Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you. We have the Toyota Kluger right now. So we are going to we worked on the interior and we're going to remove the dashboard, and maybe we are going to remove it and put another, maybe the star, but we're going to see the client what they want. So what we're going to do here, we're going to take you through the process on how we're going to go and remove the roof itself. We are going to remove the roof, but the seats are okay. So if I come this side, I have to be close because of the microphone. You're going to work on the. So this is Kluger, Toyota Kluger 2015, as you can see. So I worked on the door panels, we worked on the seats, and we also worked on the, you can see everything here. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take you through this car so that we don't miss what we have here, because very many people, they've been asking me the Toyota cars, where are they? Yeah, we have the Toyota Kluger. Yeah, it's here, Toyota Kluger, and it's a 2015 model, 2015. For the happy client at JVSP Car Interior Designers. And whatever you see here is done by the professionals. They have done their work for a long time, and if you trust them, can just come and do the interior of your car. So we do all the luxury things here. Yeah, because if you buy your things, you have to make sure you get the best out of it. So this is John Galiwango on YouTube, and JVSP Car Interior website is on the way. It's coming soon. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and record a time lapse for him to remove the dash, the roof, as I help him out. Yeah. So this is very, very, very nice. Yeah. So what we're going to do, so stay tuned. And also I'll go ahead and take some pictures of this car so that we add them on the website. Yeah. So this is what we have here. Toyota Kluger. Okay, what we have here, I'm going to go ahead and show you the process with the time lapse, so stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, and you can also visit our website in the link. We're going to be adding them on our YouTube channel. We have two YouTube channels. We have the one for John Galiwango, because I can't run very many channels at a go. And we also have for my boss, Bugembe Medi. You can also check it on John Galiwango down below. Yeah, you can also subscribe there. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this video from here and record for you a time lapse. Have a nice time. Goodbye.